Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're exploring iCloud Keychain, a powerful but often overlooked password manager by Apple. Let's see if this under-the-radar gem can stand up to its rivals. iCloud Keychain is a free password manager, seamlessly integrated into Apple's ecosystem. While it works flawlessly for iPhone, iPad, and Mac users, it may not fully satisfy Windows and Android users. iCloud Keychain is part of Apple's broader iCloud offering, and its free plan with 5 GB storage includes access to the password manager. Upgrading to higher storage plans comes with additional benefits like Hide My Email and iCloud Private Relay. To use iCloud Keychain, you need an iCloud account with two-factor authentication enabled. Setting up the password manager is straightforward from the respective device's settings panel. iCloud Keychain has a minimalist interface with pop-ups handling most operations. It offers password generation, passkey support for passwordless logins, and even handles 2FA code generation. Accessing passwords on iOS, iPadOS, and macOS is easy, either through the settings or system preferences. On Mac, you can also use Safari settings or the dedicated Keychain Access app. iCloud Keychain boasts end-to-end encryption, ensuring your passwords are secure. However, be cautious not to forget your iCloud password, as it could lead to losing access to all your passwords. Over the years, iCloud Keychain has evolved and integrated seamlessly with Apple's offerings, making it an attractive choice for loyal Apple fans who value simplicity. That concludes our review of iCloud Keychain. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews. Let us know in the comments if you use iCloud Keychain or prefer other password managers. Stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. This is Product Critique, signing off. Keep your passwords secure and your digital life hassle-free.